What's up, guys? It's been a minute since I did a recap, but today we're going to be going over Tuesday's, the 30th, September 30th, 2025's recap. So today, it's been a while since I did one of these. As you can see, it's like late night, so you're not going to see the P and L. But yeah, I'm going to tell you how I did today. I took three trades. Um, I'll get into the trades later. I'll say right now, actually, two longs and one short. Pretty rough day when it comes to psychology and my rules and all that. Even though I was slightly up, I'm gonna show y'all right now. By the title, y'all could probably see if I'm up or not already. But okay, coming in to market open or whatever, like do my daily buys. I was actually bearish. Why? Because we do have this trend up, boom, 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 boom. But then we displaced, which was what last week, boom, boom, disrespecting bearish, boom, boom, boom. Came up again, swept this hour gap, which was yesterday, or was that today? Am I tripping? But yeah, that was yesterday. Ever since then, we've been boom, 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 just coming down low. I want us to go lower. I want us to go lower. Probably not the best bias, as you can like saying that, but look, like we're respecting this coming into, I believe, right? Like when was this? I'm tripping, y'all. I'm sorry. Market open was like right here, bro. We're just bearish, and I want us to come hit some like gap or liquidity down here. Um, to then go higher if we want to go higher. But I just wanted us. I don't know why. Those confluence is not the best when you hear it from me. You're like, what? But yeah, I just wanted us to come down. I was just pretty bearish. Let me have this key level marked out because this is one of my take profits. Previous day low. Okay. I was pretty bearish. You're gonna be like, why'd you take longs? That's where the rules were broken. First trade was not that bad. I'm gonna show you right now. First trade I actually loved, bro. I just lost and just had the wrong opinion on that trade and the wrong bias because I told myself short. I should have just waited patiently for a short setup since that's what I was looking for. Come into the market open. Okay. First trade, London low, as you can see. We swept. Let's go to the 1 minute. It's going to take me back all the time. That's what I kind of hate about waiting to the end of the day to record this. But whatever. I'm just going to kind of show you. I'm not going to go back and forth on time frames. But I took this trade off a 3 minute inverse. You know what? Should we just go to it? I'm going to delete. No, I'll leave that. That was part of my short. Yes, we swept London lows, as you can see. Swept London lows. The highest time frame at the moment was the 3 minute. We did have a 5 minute up here, but that was like the RR would have not been good for me. And I kind of like I like this. You sweep of a low, you know. On the 1 minute, we took out this leg right here too. So like took out this leg, boom, like that. Came up inverse the higher time frame gap, and I took it. I believe I don't feel like pulling up the executions, but I promise you I took this twice. I'll show y'all the trades after. But inversed, I think I took this. Yes, I did. I did. Stop was actually like even tighter, bro. It was at this wick right here. I think. Fuck, I don't know. But I took this long. Nice reaction. Look how we came down and closed back up. But we just had this 5 minute that held so nicely, and it just ended up stopping me out. This is where I fucked up. I lost that trade, right? Cool. But something about my emotions, bro. Maybe coming into this day, it was pretty bad. Like not like bad in a way, like oh my god, I shouldn't have. Like it was like at the moment when I lost that trade, I was not in the right mindset than I usually am. I kind of revenge trade. I took it what 10 seconds later because we reacted, we wicked me out, and we came all the way back up here. I think we closed. Let me see, cause I remember that wick, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Was it on the 1 minute? Fuck, like I don't remember. No, I think I got stopped out right here. Boom, got stopped out on the first trade off of this 1 minute wick, and I took it again, bro. Like why? That's called revenge trading, bro. I broke a rule. And guess what? I paid the price for it, bro. Down like 700. We'll go ahead and delete this. Now the trade that presented itself, bro. And if I didn't take those first two trades, bro, let's say I would be up a good amount, you know. Even though this trade, as you can see, it's pretty big off a mini, 48 points. It did take out my two losses, but it's just the fact that like I did that. Like those stupid trades that are like ticking at my profits, bro. But here's the master short setup, bro. Literally like my A plus setup, delivering off a gap that aligns with my bias to some liquidity. Perfect. delivered off this gap, which was the 5 minute. We didn't have a 15 minute and all that. We delivered off this higher time frame gap, the 5 minute. I took this off a 1 minute inverse. Not sure if it was the highest time frame, but I really liked this trade. As you can see, fuck. Yes, I'm gonna delete this right quick. This bullish fair value gap. Boom, look at this. Holding this gap so well. This 5 minute so well. I took, I guess, right there. Yeah. Stop was not the best stock because I usually target highs, but just look at that. Like, I can't afford to lose that after losing two trades. I shouldn't be thinking about that and following my targets with good targets, like even right here. But had it above this gap, we held well. Took it, I guess, right here. So the second candle or this, I think it was this candle. I just took it slightly after and we're right here. Took it, boom. At first, this is where I kind of messed up too. Not messed up, but just like emotion, bro. TP was these lows, which is a pretty good target, right? But I wanted more. It was only a 500 win or 600, and I wanted to be up for the day. See how like emotion get to you, bro? I mean, I guess I didn't even know this was previous day low. I just kind of targeted this wick, bro. And it hit perfectly, as you can see. Barely hit too, but just the fact that like all these emotions coming in today were it was not the best, bro, when it comes to my rules and emotions. I mean, it hit. I went break even right here. Actually, I had stop and profits like right here, like up like $100. And TP hit, bro. Don't revenge trade. Don't do any of that. Today was a pretty emotional day when it comes to trading. Even though we're all up, I'll show you the stats. Y'all could say whatever, whatever. This is how these 2 days went. I don't think I recorded because it was a pretty boring day. I didn't even record yesterday. You know what? I might do this now too. I might go over this trade. Yeah, I think I will. Okay. This is the statement. Told you up a little bit. These are the three trades. Loss, loss, win. See if it was, even if it was, I lost this one and didn't revenge trade, bro. We'd be up a calm amount. But yeah, that's how the stats are. Bro. Let's see if I remember. I fucking top take this shit too, bro. Bro, look at this shit. Yep, still there. Like, bro. Like, bro, if I was just in shorts after that, shit, rejection block, bro. Anyways, this is the trade. I was pretty bullish. I want us to come hit a low. Or I think this is a 1 hour and a 4 hour gap. So perfect rejection block for TP, by the way, bro. Give me some props for that, bro. Anyways, let's go. Yes, bullish when the merge market open. All the way down here, just working up, pretty bullish. Working up, boom, highly extended, boom, came down, tapped this gap, la 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 la, made a eternal SMT with ES. Boom, boom, boom. If we want to be bullish, we're gonna come disrespect the gap after holding this SMT on ES too. Boom, inverse, boom. Got in right here. Stop was just right here because I wanted to be a 1-to-1 exactly. I think it was like right here. Really nice trade. Pretty simple too. Boom, held this gap too with this candle. Boom, and it splurged the TP like that. Quick scalp. Nice. But that's it. That's Monday and Tuesday for you. Yes, I'm up for the week. I'm blessed. I'm beyond blessed. Just want to show y'all today's recap. See where we're at now, though. Yeah, just kind of asking. Apparently, the government's gonna shut down tomorrow, so y'all be careful, bro. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. I'm gonna start recording these more. I need to be consistent, bro.